Hey everybody! So today I am at home, so excuse our dirty messy house and my crazy hair and all of that. But we had a request. Today is one of our kids' birthdays, and we had a request for this hot dog wrapped in hamburger wrapped in bacon. And so Jason made it one time, I believe, and ever since then Jarrett has really wanted to have it again. Sorry, let me adjust the phone a tiny bit. Has really wanted to have it again. And so I just thought that I would share with you a recipe if you're looking for something fun to put on the grill or the Traeger this weekend. This is something that we are having here at home. So at G&W, I picked up some Boston Grind. So the Boston Grind has a 60-40 split of hamburger and pork. So I am just popping it in a bowl, obviously. So we have family members coming over tonight for dinner. So I'm making a lot of these. So here is what they, if you can see, here are the ones that I have made so far. So I'm gonna put these on the smoker for a couple of hours before I grill them, or like finish them off, I guess. So grab some, we use, like I said, the Boston Grind because we just think that it, let me see if I can turn this so you can see this is what I'm making. So the Boston Grind, we like it because it just has a lot more flavor. So I'm gonna dump in some Worcestershire. If you don't like Worcestershire, then choose something else, a marinade or, you know, whatever. This just adds a little bit of juice, I guess. So just plain Worcestershire. This is a Epicure hamburger seasoning. It has, I like this brand because Jason actually sells it, but besides that, it's gluten-free and we're a gluten-free family, and so find your favorite seasoning, whatever. This just has spices, onion, garlic, red pepper, red bell pepper, sorry, sea salts, herbs, and black pepper. And I mean, yeah, so it just says a couple of tablespoons per couple pounds of meat, so I'm just adding some in. Okay. And then just, I know you're in COVID, so if you're going to be feeding this to other people, wash your hands. We just have family coming tonight, so if I'm going to get them sick, it's probably already happened because, you know, we're together so often. So this, because of the Boston Grind is so like, because of the sausage that's in it, it's kind of fatty and like sticks together. It's harder to get the spices worked in. So just, you know, obviously go until you get it all, until you feel like it's all worked in. I'll probably keep going, but I'll go ahead and show you what we do, because this is what they're coming out like, right? So because they're so thick, we probably are gonna have to smoke them a couple of hours. Now, what I got was these smoked sausages because I didn't want to eat, although my child wants to eat a hot dog, I really don't. So we got smoked sausages because our family loves those. And then I just got some regular old Wright bacon. So just make yourself kind of a little, I don't know, whatever, little boat. Put your sausage in it, okay? And just keep on shaping. The meat should, because of the sausage that's in it, because it is the Boston Grind, should stick to itself. And so you just keep going until you kind of have it molded. Put a little more on there. Okay, there's your hot dog wrapped in hamburger, and then you take your bacon and wrap around it like this. Now, I was just gonna use one piece. My husband was like, are you gonna just, you know, put bacon over it, or are you gonna wrap it in bacon? Because he's like, if you're wrapping it in bacon, you need more than that. So I'm doing 2 pieces per one, and then this is the nice little fat baby whatever, hamburger or sausage wrapped in hamburger, wrapped in bacon. And so, like I said, we're going to smoke them on the Traeger for a couple of hours before we finish them off at a higher temperature. So, yeah, that's it. Super easy, but really good and really kind of different, something that's kind of special. So our 12-year-old is super excited to have these for his birthday treat or dinner, and I hope you guys get to make them sometime soon. Have a great weekend.